Hello, my name is Kit Beaudry with MarineMax Pensacola, and today we're going to take you on a walkthrough of this all-new 2020 36 Aquila. Welcome aboard. We're standing on the transom, and as you can see, we're in skyhook mode, where the engines are working and doing everything for us while we grab our dock lines, our fenders, and get ready to go to the dock. The engines are doing everything we need, which is a great feature on the 36 Aquila. Also, you have here a very large boarding ladder in the center, making it easy on and off the boat. Another great thing about the 36 is boarding the boat. Dive doors on both sides, easy access on and off the dock, whether you're at a floating dock or a fixed dock. With a very unique design on the 36 Aquila, look up top on the hardtop. If you want to take your paddleboard with you and travel with this boat, you can do it. Another great thing about the 36 is the entertaining side of it. What a great boat, what a day boat, also an overnighter. But the seating inside this boat is magnificent, with your aft seating across the cockpit all the way into the galley with your table area. You have a great upper galley summer kitchen on the 36. At the top here, you have your grill. Down low, we have a very large refrigerator. Over to the side, you have a great sink for cleaning up and great counter access on the 36. We've made it to the helm, and as you can see, we have a single Raymarine ES 128, your Mercury gauges, your throttles, and also your joystick here for skyhook positioning and easy docking. Your Raymarine VHF, and you can add an additional 12-inch display if you'd like. So we're down in the berth on the starboard side of the 36. And you'll notice ample storage, ample room, sleeping for two on each starboard and port side, as well as your control panel. On your control panel on the 36 Aquila, it's very simple. Keep everything easy and everything is labeled, from your generator to your battery switches, all the way down. Notice, from your 12 volt to your 120. In the head, this is what they call a wet head, meaning your toilet's access, as well as your sink access and your shower, everything is designed to get wet inside this boat. But notice how much space you have for one person to come in and get dressed, get a shower. You have storage in here as well, and also you have a hanging closet behind here. As I mentioned in the cockpit, the 36 Aquila is designed for entertaining with a spacious bow. You can lounge, and your guests can lounge, where they can face you, or you can drop the seat down and make it a full lounge for one person. We'd like to thank you for joining us for the video of this all-new 36 Aquila. Come see us at MarineMax Pensacola, and remember, we're always open at MarineMax.com.